Now we're back to CapCut. Let me show you this circle split transition. Place both videos in the same video channel. Go to transitions, open the drop down split, and there you can find it. You may have to download it first, but once it's downloaded, click on the plus sign. Once it's selected in the timeline, if it isn't, left click on it. You can set the duration right here. It goes up to 2.2 seconds, and even the slow version looks good. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.